Last bottle of 82. Oh, it's gonna be nice. Yep.
They're good on champagne card over here.
Yes. Can you put down one more flute for me on E4? He's gonna do pairing.
Can I go with that?
No. Just put down the flute, please. Thank you. We're just giving him a second because he started with a glass of champagne. Okay, so this is definitely okay. It's turned a little bit. Oh boy, not good, not good. Okay. Just take my time. I'm gonna take this part off. Okay. It definitely feels like it could be breaking. There's still suction, which is good. I hear it. But I need to get this cork out. Yeah, it's breaking right there. Wow. Look at that, dude. That broke halfway. It broke halfway. Just give me a second. They seem very nice on this table.
They're super cool.
They seemed like just very genuine.
Dressed up too.
Yeah, I agree. Just a little bit of cork and I got you. Like it has that like smoky, like savory side to it. I did get like a touch of cork just because it's been trapped in the bottle, and that it just is what it is exactly. The cork actually looks really nice. Oh, dude, it's like great.